Hello students, let's read this question. Two glass bulbs of equal volume are connected by a narrow tube, are fitted with a gas at 0 degrees Celsius at a pressure of 76 centimeter of mercury, and one of the bulb is placed in a melting ice, another one is placed in a water bath maintained at 62 degrees Celsius. So what is the new value of pressure inside the bulbs? We have to, and volume of the connecting tube is negligible. Okay, so let's start the question. Two bulbs are here. If two bulbs are maintained at different temperatures, that means heat lost by A is equal to heat gained by B. So that heat which is gained by B, we can consider a diagram here. A and B we can take on other somethings. So V is here fitted with this, and both having volume V, and this is A and this is B. So that amount of heat is neglected by gained by B is equal to the heat lost by A. Okay, very simple formula is here. And final temperature will be X. We can take on this one is the final temperature. Okay, very simple formula is here. Heat gain and heat loss. M1 S into delta T, which is equal to M2 S into delta T. M1 is here, N1 number of moles, and M is mass here. S delta T is, for B we can take on it as it is at X temperature, and final initial it will be 0. Final minus initial, X minus 0. For this N2, this is N2 into M into S delta T is, final will be 62 degrees Celsius, and difference in Kelvin and Celsius is same. So we can directly take here 62 minus of 0. MS is cancelled out by MS, and we get here N1X is equal to 62 times of N2 minus of N2. Final temperature will be X. X final temperature will be X. Initial इसका final initially इतना होगा and final इतना होगा, because ये heat gain कर रहा है और ये heat lose कर रहा है. That's why here N2 minus N2 X. We get here the value of X. So N1 plus N2 into X is equal to 62 times of N2, and X is equal to 62 N2 divided by N1 plus of N2. This is the value of X, or you can say it's the final temperature. If N1 and N2 are same, so this is twice of N2, and N2 is cancelled out by N2, is this is equal to 31 degree Celsius. Cut out by 31 degree Celsius, or you can say 304 Kelvin. But we have to find out the new value of pressure. So new value of pressure is, for single bowl, because connecting volume is negligible, so we can consider a single bowl. P1 V1 divided by T1 is equal to P2 V2 divided by T2. So volume V1 and V2 are same. P1 is 76 centimeter of mercury, so 76 into V1 is V, and temperature is, firstly the temperature is 0 degree Celsius, so it is 273 Kelvin. P2 we have to find out it. Volume is V, and new temperature will be 304 Kelvin. V is cancelled out by V. We get here the value of P2. 76 into 304 divided by 273. After solving this, we get here 84.630, or you can say that 84 degree, डायरेक्टली बस सिंपली इसी लैंग्वेज में रखो 84.6, आप इसको डायरेक्टली इसी यूनिट में रहने दो. प्रेशर P2, दिस मच इज द सेंटीमीटर ऑफ mercury. Okay, this is the new value of pressure inside the bulb. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.